To replace the glass in the Magellan 83-8400 platter, first grab the top of the bezel and pull it up and towards the front. Then remove the glass. When installing the new glass, make sure the black film side goes up against the black part of the bezel. Notice at the bottom of the bezel there is a strip of black foam. The window sits right in front of the foam, like so. Now insert the bottom end of the gray part of the bezel in first and lean the rest of it up vertically. Then squeeze the black and gray parts of the bezel together. Make sure to check the clips on the back side of the bezel to make sure they are all snapped into place. There are 2 on each side.